How to replace any character with new line in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can replace any character with new line. By new line, I mean the carriage return or what you get if you press Alt Enter in your keyboard. Now, let me give you a basic example. Here we have text with comma, and let's say I want to remove this comma, or I want to remove all this comma with a new line. If I do it manually, I will have to remove that comma and then press Alt Enter on my keyboard, and that will create a new line removing the comma. If I press Enter, you can see we have removed the comma and added a new line. This is the manual way where you will have to remove every comma by pressing Ctrl M, which is not convenient at all. So I'm going to show you a different way. I'm going to use Excel built-in feature, which is find and replace. You can get that from the home tab, and here you can see find and select. If I click here you will find and replace. Both options are here. You can click any of it. I'm going to click on find, and if I click on replace, so we need to find the character we want to convert, and then we are going to replace with the carriage return or line breaks or new line. Okay, so find what? We are going to find comma, so I'm going to press comma here and replace with. Here in this option you cannot insert the keyboard shortcut Alt Enter here. If I do that, it will not work. So here, to make Excel understand what is carriage return, inside the find and replace feature we need to press Ctrl J, and you cannot see any character here, but you can see a little dot blinking here, and that is the signal that we have placed a character here. Okay, so we are going to click on replace all, and if I click here and click OK, and you can see all the comma is gone. Now if I select this entire column, click on format and auto fit row height, and you can see all the comma has been removed and they has been replaced with line breaks or carriage return, or you can even say they are placed with a new line inside that single cell. Okay, we did not move the data to next cell, we did everything inside that single cell. Now what if you want to replace semicolon with line breaks? So again we are going to use find and replace feature. I'm going to press Ctrl H here, which is the keyboard shortcut for replace feature, and here I'm going to write the semicolon that we want to replace with, and I'm going to click on the replace with option and press Ctrl J. That will indicate a new line or carriage return or line breaks in Excel. And if I click on replace all, and you can see we have changed something. If I select the column and from the format, if I auto fit the row height, and you can see all the semicolon has been removed and our text has been placed inside same cell but in new line. Okay, now what if you want to replace pipes with new line or carriage return? Click on find and select, click on replace and find pipes and replace with Ctrl J. That will indicate carriage return. And if I click on replace all, we have successfully replaced pipes with carriage return. In this way, you can replace any character in Excel with a new line using Excel built-in find and replace feature. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and if you can, support the channel through Patreon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.